Hey, how are you? Thanks for joining me today. Boy, that angle's weird. Hey, come join me in September, the end of September, for our fall mastermind, and I wanted to tell you about it. We only have 40 seats. Here's the coolest thing: we only have 40 seats. I shared this with our mastery group, our coaching group, about our mastermind. Cash flow mastery, how to be financially free in 10 years or less, regardless of age, income, or experience. And the cool part is I'm being joined by Ryan Lee from Cashflow Tactics, been a friend and a mentor for a little while now, and I've learned so much from him, you guys. We're going to talk about things that I've been teaching and he's been teaching, and we're coming together, and he's really helped me with my financial plan. Because listen, the thing about finances is people think it's risky, and the reason it's risky is because they don't know what they're doing and they don't have a plan. Or they've had bad advice, like many of us have had bad advice. And so we're not going to teach theory. We're going to show you real practical things. Now, here's the coolest part. The coolest part is that I opened it up for about 36 hours to my coaching group. And when I opened it up, we only have 40 seats, and 26 of them are already accounted for in 36 hours. So what does that mean for you? That means come join me the end of September, 23rd, 24th, and 25th, half day on the 25th. Come join Ryan Lee and myself. But look, the reason why it's important to be financially free, why most people think it's out of reach, is because they don't have a plan and they don't know what to do to get there. And the way you can do that is have a really sound plan that makes sense, and a full plan. Like, it's not just like one aspect, or like, hey, I'm going to invest in this, or this is what, like, we're going to teach you how to produce more, how to make more money, how to manage it and protect it, and how to profit, how to truly profit from what you're doing. So come join us. It's important to have this financial plan so that you can, pass it on to your kids and enjoy the life that's worth living right now. Not have to go, hey, I'm going to save, and 40 years later I'm going to live my life. That's not the way to live. And we're going to show you how to do it that's different. Those of you that came last year to Manifesting Millions, this is like that times 10, okay? And so that's why so many of you are coming back. 26 seats already registered, and I'm super excited about this. Hey, Michael, how's it going? Michael's registered. Michael's going to be at the fall mastermind. So listen, ChazWilsonMasterminds.com. There's about 13 seats left for the event, and then it's going to be sold out. And I anticipate that to happen really quickly. So we did the early bird to our master group. Now the early bird pricing. This is regularly $1,497. Okay, $1,497 is what we did last year. It is literally early bird at $397 right now, and that's going to go away next week because, like I said, we're already over 50% sold out. So please get registered. Come join me. Change something in your financial plans. Change something in your financial future to be there, right? To be there with Ryan and myself. We're providing 2.5 days to lay out the game plan, right? How to produce more income. So many people are not even aware of how to produce more income. I just shared an idea, and I'll share this at the mastermind, on how to minimum $10,000 in the next 30 days. However, I just worked through the same process with somebody, and at a minimum, it's $60,000 to $80,000. If he does the minimum of what we talked about and the idea we created, now he's all fired up. He's going to do $60,000 to $80,000 a year in additional income every year based on this. So we're going to show you how to do that. We're going to show you how to manage the money correctly, do King's Cash, something that I have not talked about at the previous masterminds. And then we're going to talk about how to multiply it, protect it in something we call the vault, that Ryan will share with you at the event. So much good stuff, you guys. Like, it's mind blowing. So join us at the fall mastermind. Don't wait. Don't think about this, right? I offered this to my mastery group, and some of them hesitated and waited. And now they're reaching out going, man, shoot, I missed that early bird pricing. Now there's the early bird, or that was the early bird. Now you got the early bird pricing, whatever that means. And then we're raising it again next week. So why pay full price for something just because you want to think about it for a week? Just get registered, come join us, and be a part of it, and connect with some high-level entrepreneurs. So there's the power of the network that'll be there, and then the power of the information that we're going to be sharing. And you will have, people like Michael, who's on here, our head coach of our mastery program. You have Ryan, who's Ryan Lee, who's really, like I said, friend and mentor from Cash Flow Tactics. We got some other really high level individuals that'll be there because these people understand that learning is part of the game, right? They don't stop. Right? Think about this from a financial, do you know everything there is to know about, like if you're not making $1 million a year, there's probably something you can learn. And even those who make $1 million a year go, oh my gosh, there's more to learn. There's more to this game, this financial game, right? So stop waiting to live your life for the future because you don't have your finances in order and you don't understand how to do that. And then this isn't something you're going to walk in the door and people are going to judge you based on where you're at or where you're not or what you think you should be doing. It's a very transparent, close group that's going to share their successes, their struggles, and the way that we can do this based on the models that we're going to lay in front of you. We just finished the agenda for the 2.5 days. Strong. It's strong. I'm not even sure how we're going to pack it all in, but we're going to. We're going to get it in the 2.5 days. So come join us. Come hang out with Ryan and myself September 23rd, 24th, 25th. ChazWilsonMasterminds.com. Get registered. Hold on. So we literally just got another registration. So, oh, actually, you abandoned cart. So I'm going to follow up with you because I can see you jumped in there and didn't follow through. So that seat's still open. So let's get it filled up. Let's close this group out and come join me in September. All right, guys, be well. Talk to you soon.